Hi guys, welcome to Bull and Beer. I'm just going to show what is going to happen tomorrow. So I mean 11th October 2018, Nifty. So the current movement in the Nifty is again a volatile as per the super trend, because you can see what happened. We have just seen 5 minutes sell side and even 10 minutes selling side on yesterday on closing basis. Okay, but we have took support in the 15 minutes yesterday. You can see here. Then from 15 minutes again it took support, it went up. So you can consider this 15 minute support is an important support, right? I guess in the previous video I just mentioned that 15 minute, I believe 15 minutes as important support. Then I believe 30 minutes as important support. Okay, and the final support will be hourly chart. So the tricks what I'm going to show you now based on the super trend signal is, remember, today, yes, I have done some loss, because you can see what is my loss here. Okay, it's a real trade live, so I'm not going to hide uh, anything from my side, because I'm just giving you uh, the live trading and how to do based on the super trend. Okay, so yesterday I just done some short selling here, 80 quantities. Okay, at 201. So I was waiting to come down, but unfortunately the bank nifty is moved up, okay, in the upside. So in the 5 minutes, what happened, based on my risk, remember, based on my risk, I took stop loss in the 5 minutes trend. Okay, so the 24500 C yesterday I sold it at 200. See here, I exited at around the line comes at 300. Okay, so that's what I did today. The first trade, I mean, where I have exited, you can see, remember, 278. So it's almost close to the 5 minute signal. So I don't want to take a risk anymore, because now you can see what is the closing price, 757 from 200 level. The low made is 290. Okay, so don't go against market. If you know the trend, you can go ahead with confident. Okay, so now what happened, all this today, some of the mistakes I have done it. So like 10,300 CE early morning, I have sold it. Remember, you can see I done some selling over here, but again remember I exited at 5 minutes stop loss. Okay, the mistake what I have done is I did not consider this 15 minutes as a important signal. So go ahead with the 15 minutes important signal, then do your trade. Based on your risk, like mine, I exited at 5 minutes signal even here. Okay, and even here in 24500 C, I exited at 5 minutes signal. So see here, after 5 minutes signal, where market gone, because it took support at 15 minutes signal, right? See here, it didn't break at all. So from here, maybe you can consider how super trend works. Okay, so now you consider this 15 minutes as an important signal for any buying or any selling opportunity. Then you continue to hold by keeping 15 minutes as a stop loss. Remember, this is just for your learning purpose. Which signal we have to believe? You can believe 15 minutes as an important signal. If 15 minutes breaks either side, go with that. If, see, it's given actually 15 minutes sell side, so I just waited whole day, then again market went up. Now see here, from the line 300 it went to 750, right, by holding 15 minute signal. Okay, so what is the tricks? What I want to show you here is, remember here, Nifty is broken in 30 minutes chart, which is again very important signal. Remember that. Maybe you can see here. So it's broken 30 minutes side signal, then it's came down almost 1 to 3 days. How many points? From 10,800 to we have 10,200 just in 3 days based on the 30 minutes sell. Now we just broken the 30 minute signal. So will you believe market will go up or come down? Remember we are doing a consolidation, right? Um, Market came down from 11,750 level to 10,200 level, but immediately we will not go up to 11,000 level. So there's a consolidation going to happen. That's what we are doing now. So between 10,200 to maybe 10,500 level, I already mentioned yesterday, we have to follow the important 1 hour signal. See, so now it almost taking resistance at 10,500 level. So maybe tomorrow we can see what is going to happen, because as of now you can see what is the global market situation. You can see the Singapore Nifty is down 120 points. See the DAX down 2%. Most of the global markets are down heavily between 1 to 2%, and Nasdaq is down. US market is down 2%. So I considered, based on one trick, to buy and hold this 10,200 put. Remember that. Okay. Okay, what is the trick? Remember, 30 minute signal is up, right? But why 10,500 C is not up in 30 minute signal? Okay. So that means when market is going strong, remember, during that time, Nifty futures, Nifty spot and call, all these should go in sync. Again, I'm telling you, Nifty spot, Nifty futures, okay, and call price or even put price, whatever. So if market is going up, in today's example, I can show you that it is up 30 minutes. Okay, spot and future also up in 30 minutes. But why 10,500 call is not up in 30 minutes? What is the reason? Because we are going to see a downside. So based on this, blindly, remember, blindly based on this, I took risk of buying put, 10,200 put. So now you know what happened in the global market. So 116. So what happens tomorrow? Anyway, I'm just going to post what is going to happen tomorrow in my trade, and what I did today based on what again I took. So I took risk because go ahead and buy put by keeping stop loss at 10,509. That is first one. Second one, yes, it's broken in the 30 minutes, but 10,500 or 600 is not broken. Okay, so the Nifty spot, Nifty futures and call price is not in sync. Okay, so you try to understand this logic and take a risk based on your risk. Simple, right? So let's see tomorrow, are we going to see again 10,200 level or not? Okay, so this is based on super trend signal. So these are the tricks we have to plan always. So I can just show you maybe one more time. There's one more tips based on super trend. I can show you during the RBI repo rate, okay, RBI result, which happened on 5th of October. You can see maybe last Friday. See, in the 5 minute signal, the Nifty is up, Nifty spot. How about Nifty futures? We will see. So on 5th October, again Nifty future is up, right? But what happened to, see, during the time market was trading at 10,700 level. But what happened to 10,500 C on 5th of October in super